Welcome to our channel, Bitla for Better Life. Today, the topic which I am going to take is talk. T stands for talk, talkative, talent, technique. Talkative, talent, technique. Yes, one person has to be very talented and talkative and must have some technique to get success. How we are going to move for it? How the success comes to the people? So there are many people who are there outside with great academic standards, academic ranks. People get many ranks, but at the time when it comes to getting jobs, people don't get jobs. What's the reason? And when get into the company also, they don't survive in the company. Why it's happening? Even they finish their education from different universities, in foreign university also. Even I can tell you one example of my colleague while I was working in the college. There was one person who was MS, the person who did his MS, right? But he came to our college where I was working 10 years back, right? At the time, the MS candidate has come to our college and could not survive and went out. So he has come to teaching field. So the teaching field which is going to work there, really which is very highly talented, highly professional, but the person who has done MS in foreign universities could not survive in teaching field. What's the reason? Just you can think about it. Teaching one of the great professionals, white collar profession. So how the people are going to get the things done there? So what it needs here? So the academic qualifications is one side, talk, talent and technique. These three things are one side. If academically you are average also, when you have highly extraordinary in these three things, you are getting survived. So that definitely you are going to get success. This is the reason, that's what the people only getting things done there. So that you must be very talkative first of all. How to be talkative? So this may not be applicable to all the people, but some people are very gloomy, dull, only academic oriented or some other. They want study, just bookworms, study hours together, right? It's completely 100% for only education. That was the reason people could not talk to anyone. That's what how it is. Just to think about. You have to talk to the people who are new to you. Familiar people, of course. If you are very familiar with other people or your friends and siblings and others, this okay. This okay. You can speak to your parents. You can speak to your father and siblings and all. But when you are able to speak and handle new people with different mentalities, that's going to work. So that is real talk. You go and speak to other people who are not at all familiar to you. You understand the psychology and mentality of the people. So that one person should have very talkative. For that, how you are going to get it? How you are going to gain that kind of talkative nature, talkative skills? This happens when you go on finding what we say that here, anecdotes. Just you read some anecdotes, small short stories of anything, and find out some moral stories, and then you understand how this is going to really get it. How the talkative people are really speak. So these are going to give us a very good scope for talking to the new people, and then speak to the new people every day. Even you are in college, you are in schooling, you are in university level, whatever it is, just you talk to the new people, and the new people are going to give you some scope to learn many things. So that how we are going to learn from new people, that makes us talkative. So talk whatever the topic it is. Take a simple topic and speak something else. Speak about politics, speak about cinema, speak about sports, speak about some others' careers, speak about academics, speak about whatnot, everything, whatever you know, that try to speak to the people who are interested in that particular topic. It's not about your favorite topic. For example, you are speaking to one person and your favorite is cricket and some others is cinemas. Your favorite is politics, some others is some other. So whenever it is there, you can't speak to anyone. So that how you have to maintain that whatever the opposite person speaks or whatever the person interested in, you have to be familiar with that. For that, what you do here, you have to gain knowledge in it. For that gaining knowledge, you must read many books at the same time. Again, it comes to reading itself. Reading makes everything. You have to read the newspaper and write books and many other things, so that you know knowledge. When you know knowledge, you are able to speak. The person who knows everything is able to speak anything. The person who doesn't know the things doesn't speak anything. Only one thing matters. If the person who knows only academics, he really excels in academics and fantastic. Whereas when social life, in the social life, he is unable to speak to some new people, how it is going to work? No. So that one has to be talkative, means here first of all he has to get habituated to read the current affairs, regular affairs, Bollywood affairs, Hollywood affairs, political affairs, all the affairs whatever are going on around the world, so that you are able to be talkative, because you know that you feed everything to your mind, and then when time permits and suggests you or forces you to speak with new people, so that you are going to speak well. The talkative people are like that here. Their knowledge only takes them to speak anything. So that the talkative is very important. And talent also matters. How talented you are, that's very important. For that you are right, gaining knowledge. Speaking is one thing here, gaining knowledge is one thing here. Be talented, better than somebody else, better than your competitor. You must be better than your competitor. For example, your competitor knows 100 things, means here you must know 101 things. If your competitor knows 200, means here you must know 201. So like this here, you must be better than your competitor, then you are talented. Equally, for example, 100 people are same knowledgeable and same talented. What is special to you? So how special you are, how talented you are, better than your competitors. That talent requires to the people to become successful. So talkative and talent. So better than your competitor. That try to understand always. I am academically strong, something that doesn't work anything. Here only thing is here, how talented you are, better than the competitors. That's going to give you a great scope to work on it. So that so you must be talented and always update your knowledge, update your technology, update your other things, whatever fashion, trending, whatever it is, you must always know. The age doesn't matter. How talented, how great you are, that is important. So that talent is very important for successful life and successful person. And then technique. So everything is there. You don't have some techniques. Techniques work out a lot. Simple techniques. How to out of the danger. Whatever the danger. For example, if you feel something is wrong there must be some technique to come out of it. If you know that technique coming out of that, you are really sure that it is sure for you that you are definitely going to get success when you know that technique coming out of it. So that your problem solving and getting solution for some problem. So there you are getting things done in your favor. So that your T stands here. I have already explained all the things up to yes in the last last video. Here it takes you to talkative. You must be talkative. You must be talented. You must have some technique to come out of the problems. So how you gain that? Maybe through experiences, or talking to the experienced people, or talking to the different kind of professionals, and all these things are going to work out for you, so that you are going to get success. So that definitely you think that whatever you are going to do today, that's going to work tomorrow, so that you are able to understand everything, and then you are going to work for it. So that if you like my channel, if you might like my video, please subscribe my channel, share it, at the same time like it. for better videos tomorrow. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take precautions for getting out of the corona crisis. Thank you very much.